Listen to that. Well, another day where, oh, there she is. Oh, look, there he is. Oh, we got blue vinyl wrap on here too now. It's been a while since we sat in this thing. I almost forgot. I know we just got like jumped the gun, but welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, especially if you guys want to see cool automotive content here in Hawaii. This channel is for you. So we got the car serviced. Nestor said start it up. So man, it's been a long time since we had this car back in our hands, and we are really low on gas as well. Let's see, let's actually take a look right now. Where are we at? Oh wow, I don't even have a range. Look at that. Oh, 39 miles. Okay, well, gas is up the road. I still gotta pay Nestor, so hold on. Actually, Nestor's helping the other guys, so let's just do like a quick walk around of what we got done to the car. New axles front and back. So we also got the transmission service. We had to get the fluids done, which it was my fault that we waited so long, but we had to flush the trans twice, and we got the diff fluid in as well. What else we did? An alignment again for the car because we got the new axles in. Also, we even got some stuff done here. Honestly, guys, if there's one thing I'm super happy about, which is probably like the cheapest mod, it's probably the tank. It just makes the engine bay look so much better when you have just a black tank in here instead of that plastic one. What else do we have to do? Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, but all the way down here there's the power steering line, which was leaking some fluid, so we had to get that rebuilt. So we got that done. Also, another thing too, probably the only thing that I want to do left with the engine bay is I want to change this to carbon fiber. Now I'm just waiting. I'm honestly just waiting, guys, for like the GTR forums for somebody to post theirs up. So we're just waiting on that as well. What else? As you guys can tell, Nestor took very well care of it. He even wrapped all around the front end of the car because they had to go in. And also, oh, I also forgot, we also had to do the spark plugs in there as well. I also had to overnight some parts because I forgot to ship in the what was it, the manifold gasket. I also forgot to ship in the belt over there as well. So yeah, that's why it took a little long, but we finally got the car back. Now that I look at it, like just this blue, even though it's just a protective film, like can you guys see it? Can you guys see the car being blue one day? Maybe vinyl wrap it, painted Bayside blue, I don't know. Now before we get out of here, I just want to highlight Nestor's V-Rod again because it's finally done. Literally huge conversion in the rear. Everything on this thing is carbon fiber, carbon tank, rear, even the front fairing here, front fender there, even this little caps over here to secure the wires. Man, this is like just straight up sinister, guys. This is what I mean. If there's one thing Hawaii drivers can't do, it's merge. Like this, unbelievable. Anyways, yeah, I literally just started driving this car and it feels so much different, guys. Like just the smoothness of how this thing turns, it feels so much better now. And again, shout out to Nestor. If you guys are in Hawaii, you guys got a GTR, you guys got a VQ platform, basically you can pretty much do everything. But like lately he's been getting a lot of the VQ 370, 350 guys, GTR guys in the shop. But if you guys need help, hit up my boy Nestor. But again, huge shout out to him, man. This thing feels so much better. Now we do have one problem, is that I can't gun it yet because I have the axles in the trunk. and I do not want to gun it because I don't want it flying around, and because I have the air suspension in the back. So we're gonna go and get a quick workout in. I'll drop off some of the stuff, and then we're gonna have a little fun before I go to work today. Oh, just finished working out. I am extremely late for work. This car is super dirty, but we're being late for a good cause, guys. You know why? It's NBA playoffs right now, and yeah, Celtics are on a roll. If you guys didn't know, I'm a Celtics fan. So I start work at 4:30. Right now, it's 3:55. Are we gonna make it? With a GTR, we will. Oh my God! Wow, this car feels so much different, guys. It feels so much different. It feels better than when I bought it, honestly. Like, even just turning the car and just gliding, like, I don't feel like any resistance at all. Man, I should have done these axles a long time ago. But this thing just feels so freaking good, man. Now, if there's one thing that I really miss, it's the sounds of the blow-off valves. So let's get a downshift. One more downshift. Can we hear it? Listen to that. Oh, come on, Charger. Get out of the way, please. Oh, man. I miss this car. I've been lacking on content, guys, but I'm telling you, this summer it's gonna be a whole different ball game, man. Count on that. Oh my gosh. Listen to that. Alright, enough playing. Never mind, I lied. One more time. Oh my God. Say it every time. Never gets old, guys. Well, while we're sitting in Hawaii's rush hour traffic, a quick update for you guys, since you know this is my channel. A quick health update. Your boy is down, can I do the math? 296 minus 261, that's 35. I'm down 35 pounds, guys, from when the pandemic started. I haven't driven this car for so long. Like, the seats feel a little bit more comfortable now that I lost some weight. So maybe we don't get aftermarket seats, or should we still get aftermarket wider seats? Also, on the side note, for all you lucky viewers that made it this far, if you guys haven't smashed the like button, smash the like button because it helps. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe as well. At the end of this month, the month of April, or at the beginning of May, the new project car is going to be in possession of me. Or did I say that right? We'll have the new project car coming to the channel ending of May, ending of April, or beginning of May. So be on the lookout for that as well. So right now the time is 4:26. I know we said that we're supposed to be at work by 4:30. I think we're gonna make it. Now, I don't condone showing up late to work, guys. If you guys gotta go to work, make sure you guys are on time. But today is the exception because I was just hyped to watch the rest of the Boston game. So Boston's up 2-0, and I'm just saying this and I'm putting this on video because if Boston goes to the finals, guys, I am gonna do whatever I can to find nosebleed seats. I'm not gonna just spend a lot of money, but I do want to try anything possible to try and make it to the finals, on the condition that if Boston makes it. And I really think Boston has a chance because they have just the top defense in the NBA right now. So let's just hope that Boston makes it to the finals, and then maybe we can do some automotive content somewhere on the East Coast, or unless they play somebody from the other side, which might be on the West Coast. So I don't know. I really think it's gonna be Boston and Phoenix, but that's just me. Oh man, what a night. I think let's go for a little drive, guys. Went ahead and got the boba, got the avocado smoothie. Turn off the light. I don't know if you guys can see me, but if you guys can hear me, let's go take a quick stroll through Waikiki. Dang, for it nearly being what, almost 11 o'clock? Man, I haven't seen a lot of cars around in Waikiki in a while. Honestly, it's really good. It's a really good thing seeing like cars and just seeing Waikiki up and running again, you know, just having tourists come back and stuff like that, you know. And I guess, you know, just for someone living here in Hawaii, I just want to address, like, you know, if you guys are gonna come to Hawaii, you know, it's a beautiful place. It is home for me. And, you know, just those of you guys that ever decide to come to Hawaii, just respect the place, you know, just take in for what it is. And I'm just surprised, like, I'm honestly just surprised that Waikiki's like still popping at this time of hour. Back during COVID, this place was like a huge dead zone. So hopefully, you know, tourists is just like up and running, you know, more hotel occupancy, you know, hopefully Hawaii can keep up with the labor shortage, or, you know, do something about the labor shortage now that, you know, everybody's slowly getting back to being regular. But man, we still got people out in Waikiki. And you already know what the drill. Oh my god, 569, guys. What the heck? Guys, I only put Texaco gas because they're the only gas company I trust for the GTR. But man, I would love to have a sponsorship by Texaco. Just saying. Well guys, it's about that time. Time for me to start editing today's video. And yeah, I'm just super happy like the GTR is back. And now we can start making a little bit more content. Also, if you guys saw what I said somewhere in the middle of this video, we have another car coming. Also, you guys know that my side project is Definitive Brand. So we got Definitive Brand merch coming out soon. Stuff should be arriving, at least the first batch of stuff are arriving sometime at the end of this week and the beginning of next week. So if you guys haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way. And always to remember as well, stay driven.